you want to go home, Brandon?
Blake's mad at me.
I'm mad at you?
Yeah.
Why? I haven't even said anything to you all day.
Exactly.
If you're coming in here, take off your shoes and don't step on the pavement because it's got glitter on it. Oh.
What happened to the small Peter?
Alright, it's June 24th. It's like 10:25, 26? 26. Yes, Brandon, I know. I'm trying to do something right now.
That's cool.
It's not your concern.
How'd it break?
I don't know. Why don't you ask it?
Well, I guess Rob built it, so that explains it.
So, Chase, Jack, and I and Brandon just showed up. We're all sitting in Dad's truck.
I've been here since 6.
Why do you have to be so literal? Congratulations. And we're just chilling in here. Not really doing a whole lot.
Peter's clean.
All the Peters are clean. And judging is at, what was that, 10 I thought?
10, yeah.
So I guess it's probably going on right now also.
Yeah, but Rags Down was supposed to be at 9 and it was at 9:30. So
Really?
By a half hour.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Did you hear Cody hit the train horn real loud?
No.
For a long time? That was like the Rags Down thing. The guy came by and told me to do it. At 9:30, not 9.
So it's probably gonna
Oh,
start at 10.
here's Big Peter. Hi, Big Peter. How are you
Big
doing?
Peter.
Big Peter.
Hey, Big Peter. How are we doing today?
Fabulous.
Good to hear.
How are you?
Oh, I'm good. Just spectacular. So we're just chilling here. There's nothing to do. I mean, there's plenty to do, but we're just lazy and don't want to do it. But
We're going to get apple cider donuts. It was Brandon's idea. I messed with the settings on the camera, like for focusing and stuff like that, and it seems to be doing better. Hopefully it is.
Donuts.
Well, we were going to get donuts, but 2 of their mixers broke this morning, so they didn't have any. They'll have some in about an hour and a half or so. But now Jack, Chase, and I are going to go to the gas station. There's also a jerky outlet there, so we're going to get some beef jerky and maybe a drink or something. But yeah.
yeah, you're right, it's like right across the street.
Hi, fellas.
Brown man.
Such a selection. Chase and I got some honey barbecue beef, looking good. Yum 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 yum.
Who was it? A cough.
Oh! Chase and I are going to the Jeep. I'm going to put the camera in there because I don't really have any use for it right now and I don't feel like taking any pictures. I also don't have storage with them because I always have problems with storage on my laptop. So I'm going to put this away for now. And I don't know, we might leave soon and then come back for the Parade of Lights because it's only 12:45 and it feels like we've been here forever. It feels like 5 o'clock. And the lights don't start obviously until it gets dark, so we might head out and come back. I don't know. It's so bright out here.
Yeah, guys, it's really bright out here. Watch out, there's a car.
Apparently my mom's here. Oh, they're right there. So I'm gonna go say hi to her. And then Chase and I are gonna sit in Dad's truck again because it's freaking hot. I still kind of want to go home because the lights don't start till 8:30. So I'm getting pretty bored.
Is that better?
Mom's taking off.
Huh?
Said Mom's taking off.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm probably coming home though.
Are you done so you can go?
I'm not even taking a picture.
Oh, okay.
Mom!
What?
Trying to talk.
Huh?
I am trying to talk to you.
Okay, what?
I said I'm probably gonna come home
Okay.
and I'll come back here later because it's still like 6 hours before the parade and I'm bored
Yep.
and I am 100% tired of this guy singing.
Okay. Well, that's fine. Just let your dad know.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Love you.
Love you a long time.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
That's good.
Chase.
Oh, wow. How you doing?
I think I'm going to head home here shortly, but I want Chase to come with me and I don't think he really wants to leave. But I am absolutely, honestly, I feel like it's gonna rain, dude. Like it just got so much colder. I don't know, I'm gonna look up the weather.
No, it's not.
Weather for Dundee. Fundy. That just sounds weird.
We're gonna do a burn on the parade.
Nope, it doesn't show rain.
I want to sit there.
Chase and I are heading back to my house to hang out for a little bit, and then we will come back eventually, probably around 6 or 7. The lights start at 8:30, and I'm just completely exhausted and beyond tired of hearing this guy sing up here because he is. We just got back home, and Chase's tire was flat this morning, so we put air in it and we're gonna see if it holds. If not, then he obviously needs a new tire, and if it does, then I don't know, we'll just be cautious with it and keep checking it as he drives. But I'm gonna go inside and edit up to this point, maybe not all the way up to this point, but most of it. And Jack is coming over and Dalton is coming over, and then we're all gonna ride together back to Dundee later for the Parade of Lights. Normally I film the Parade of Lights, but this year I think I'm gonna ride with somebody. I've never rode with somebody in the Parade of Lights, and I know it gets pretty crazy with the Jake brakes and slamming gears. It's pretty interesting, and I'd like to ride with somebody. I just Jack texted me and said he just got home from a party that he went to, a grad party, and I asked him what he was doing, and he said he's dropping a fat deuce. So we're waiting for him, and like I said, I'm gonna go downstairs and edit, and then we'll check Chase's tire later.
Like, oh, okay, that's nice.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Chase and I and Dalt. God, why do I always say it like that? Chase, Dalton, and I are... Really? Tire shine? That makes your tires look like crap afterwards. Anyways, we're going to Dundee. I texted my dad because he wanted me to get him something to eat.
1 PSI.
What?
It went down 1 PSI.
Went down 1 PSI. Well, we'll check it again later. So anyways, I'm gonna pick up food for my... God, you're an idiot. Why would you put tire shine on the tread? And pick up Jack at his house. Hopefully he's not sleeping because he was tired. He said he fell asleep on the shitter for like 2 minutes or something, I don't know. But anyways, we're leaving. And Dalton's driving separate because he is silly. I don't know. Chase, you looking mighty fine. Been waiting for Jack about 5 minutes now. You can throw the sweatshirts in the back and don't step on that shirt, please. Hello. I can't even talk.
Can you speak for me?
I tried to talk Dalton into letting me use his flag on the way to Dundee,
How'd
but
that
he
go?
won't. He's like, no, I don't want you to tear it on the highway. We all just got to Dundee, and we're gonna go talk to Big Peter. Looks like he's talking to some people right now. Jack's gonna get some like drone footage. I don't know, do you want to explain what you're gonna do?
So what I'm gonna do is my drone has a 3-axis gimbal on it. So I'm gonna take the drone with the propellers not on it and the controller around my neck and just use it as like a steady cam and just kind of walk around with it and get steady shots of trucks and make
The clickbait can be semi blew up.
Don't let me forget when we start rolling, turn my engine fan on.
Alright.
there, Atlas. You made the wrong turn. Yeah, boy. How you make a wrong turn when people are telling you where to go?
I literally can't stay forward.
We gotta wait.
Yeah, I said it.
Well, that parade literally rocked my tits. It was lit.
Rock his tits. Hey, rock my tits.
I'm putting the camera away, it's dark, and just gonna hang out with a bunch of friends, chill. Oh, maybe I should unlock it before I try to open the Jeep. All right, see you guys